Hello there, welcome back. I'm glad you can join me. I'm Greg. This is the Free American Spirit channel. And today I'm going to talk to you about the contest winner from our Ledger Nano S contest, the first one. We're giving out 5 more after this each month through May. So go back to that original video. And if you haven't, like the video, subscribe to the channel, live in America, all the things it tells you to do it on that video. I'll show you in a little while what that video looks like. But anyways, other than that, let's roll the intro, see what's happening. And then after that, we will talk about an exchange called Abra, which is much easier for you to buy and sell crypto coins instead of those other exchanges I showed you in the earlier video. So let's roll the intro and see what happens. Okay, here we are on the desktop. I wanted to show you the first thing was this is the video that if you want to subscribe and get on the Ledger Nano S giveaway, we give one away all the way through the end of May. There's also one keep key, I believe, so you can, whoever the first person is that wants to keep key. Go to this video right here. It's Hard Wallet Giveaway number 1. It was put in the beginning of the month. Just go there, like the video, make sure you're a subscriber. Make sure you do everything down in the description. If you look down here where it says Free American Spirit, let's scroll down a little bit. So right here, you would like the video. Down here, you would comment at least 10 words in the video. If you want to read all the rules, you can go right here and show more in the description right there. But basically, you got to be a subscriber. You have to be 18 years old or older. You have to live in the United States. Okay. And then just share and like the video and say 10 words. So it'll tell you that in the video. But let's get on to what we really want to talk about today. And that is the mobile Bitcoin wallet. So what this is an app called Abra. This is available for your phone. This is what it looks like. And if you pay attention in this phone right here, the little icon, you can get it from the App Store or your computer. You'll see that little icon on your phone. That's what it looks like. You'll know you're at the right one. So what I like about this is, unlike Coinbase or Binance, where you have to, have a wallet and take it in the wallet and out of the wallet and things like that, what they do is anybody can link their bank to this, and then you can buy coins. And instead of having your own wallet, they keep it on a cold wallet. And so they keep your order on a ledger. And what that means is, let's just say I buy $100 worth of XRP. It'll say Greg bought, if they were, a dollar each, bought 100 XRP. Doesn't matter the price. When I go to sell that, whatever the market price is, they'll just sell it out of their wallet and give me whatever it is. So if I bought $100 worth of XRP, it'll tell me on that phone that it's going up or down. And if XRP is 110 bucks and I say sell it, that's when they'll sell it. So instead of having my wallet that I can keep it in and go through all that hassle, they keep it in their wallet. Now, a lot of people don't like that. I personally don't like it, but for a phone, I like it because it is a cold separate storage. And I like it because I can cash out real quick if I have to. So if I have 100 XRP on there and I want to sell it real quick, you know, and make a little bit of profit, I can do that and then turn around, in a couple of days when it goes down and buy more, so I have more XRP. So I slowly build it up or I can cash out. The downside is you don't have a wallet, which means if I wanted to hold those and transfer some to a friend of mine, I can't do that. These are all the coins they offer. I don't know what SIO is, but you know what Bitcoin is, Ethereum, XRP, uh, which is Ripple, XRP. Not really the same. It's XRP. Ripple's the company. Anyways, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, and there's several others. Ether Classic, Zcash, Amisago, Dogecoin, Golem, Bitcoin. So you can take just about anything, Euro, USD. It's too hard to film on my phone. I'd show you how to go through them, but trust me, just go to the Google Play Store if you're on an Android or the iPhone, pop it up, download it. And once again, it's about the only app I use on my phone other than Uphold. But the reason I use this is because they can break into my phone, but they can't get to Abra's wallet. And on Uphold, I use that, which we'll go through in the next video. That will actually let you transfer it to a wallet. so they can't get it from your phone. Now, one nice thing about this is if I have an Abra wallet on my phone and you have an Abra app on your phone, I can send you stuff and you can send me stuff. So if your family member or something like that has it, that's kind of cool. And I just wanted to go down there. People ask me about fees, so we'll go down. If you have any questions, you can scroll down to the bottom. They have an FAQ down here, which you can look through all kinds of stuff. And that each of the bottom of the pages, you can just go down there. So I wanted to look at the fees, and I wanted to explain to people there's no charge for you to download Abra. It doesn't charge you anything to put money from your bank in Abra, and you can use your credit cards as well. So they will ask you to link a bank. They will ask you, if you have a credit card, to link that, and you can transfer money to them for nothing unless your credit card right there is 4% for an Amex. So one thing that is good about American Express is that they work with XRP and Ripple and all that, and they also work with different exchanges like this. So I have an Amex card. It's nice for me to buy it, but the fee is high, 4%. If you have an Amex card, you're used to having no fee because normally the business pays for it, but in this case, you pay the 4%. So that's kind of a bummer. But other than that, if you take it from a bank, it's no charge, and cashing it in is no charge unless there's a network fee, meaning, when they sell the Bitcoin, or if you look down here, the Bitcoin or the Litecoin or the Bitcoin Cash, they have to go through an exchange to sell it. There's higher fees, so you'll get what that exchange charges you, whatever, like 0.005 of a Bitcoin or one Litecoin or whatever they charge. I don't know what those fees are because I don't trade in Bitcoin, Litecoin. But they'll tell you before, when you go to sell it off, they'll say, okay, you're going to be charged this much. XRP is very, very low, 0.00025 or something. There's no fees there. So it's real nice if you're sending to a bank, from a bank, or sending to another Abra wallet user. The fees are real minimal. Okay. The only time the fees get a little higher is if you use an Amex card, American Express. The other thing is, since they're based out of the Philippines, you can go up to a teller in the Philippines if you happen to live over there. One of the reasons I started using Abra was not only because since they store the coin on their own wallet, I didn't have to worry about having it on my phone, so I could just cash stuff in real quick because everybody has limits. That was kind of nice. But I also did it because if you lived in the godforsaken state of New York like I did, all these exchanges couldn't sell, like Kraken couldn't sell in New York, and you go to try to cash out and you can't do it. So you're stuck with Coinbase if you're in New York. And so that's just one exchange with one, way to cash out. So if you had a lot of crypto, I don't, but if you do, you have a couple 100,000 or something, you got to have several exchanges to cash out. And in New York, it's almost impossible. But this was a way around it. And the way they got around it, because like I said, is they have their own wallet. So actually what you're doing is they're keeping you on a ledger. You never hold the crypto. So technically you don't own it. If their wallet died, or something happened, you would have a problem. Now, these are some big names that own this. I don't think you're going to run that risk. I think if this thing ever went down, they would possibly, or they would reimburse you somehow. But with that being said, I don't keep a whole lot. As trusting as I am, I might keep $1,000 worth on there or something just so I can cash out real quick. But I'm not going to put, if I had $1 million like some of those guys or 100,000, there's no way I'd keep that kind of money on there. I mean, the only way that would happen is if maybe I had 1,000 XRP, and all of a sudden it jumped to $100 and it was worth, $100,000, then I'd get it off real quick. I'd be cashing out, you know. But that's why I don't keep much on there. But it's a nice little tool. If you're having a hard time getting on exchanges and you want something you can cash out really quick, it's a nice tool to have. So let's move on to our next tab up here. Once again, that's Abra. It's free to use. Download it from the iOS store or the Google Play Store, where you can get online if you're hooked up to it. Video that we had that started off the 6 nano giveaways or 1 keep key that I have. So if you win this contest, I'll tell you to contact me with your name and phone number, not phone number, name and address, and then you can tell me back that you either want the 1 keep key or you want one of the the Ledger Nano S's, but we're giving one away at the end of every month. So once you're registered on this video, you don't have to register again on 10 other videos. Just go right to this video, make sure you're registered, you liked, you shared, and most importantly of all, you subscribed and left a 10-word comment, because I'm going to check, and that's what we're going to do here in a little bit, and you'll see how we do this. Okay, guys, here we are at the random video. I'm putting in the URL right there to that video that I just talked to you about, which is the giveaway video. So in future, if you did something wrong, you want to go check and make sure that you have a 10-word comment in there, that you do a thumbs up like right here, that you're subscribed to my channel, because I'm going to check, that's part of the rules, and you have at least 10 words in the comments down here. You want to see all the rules, hit this show more, and we'll do it. But I got to tell you guys, I've been sitting on the computer now for about 15 minutes. I'm going to load the comments, and as you can see right here, there's 42 likes. And right off the bat, there's only 41 comments. So one person didn't leave a comment out of 42 likes. So you know one guy's disqualified. But to be honest, I've been sitting here about 10 minutes going through, and I've already picked about 5 people, but they didn't win because they didn't like or they didn't subscribe. So let's try it again, and let's see what it says. Come on. What happened here? There's a video. And the winner. Pick the winner. Okay. Let's see. Best Shepherd. Great information. I love to learn new things, to be in the know on the road. Definitely has 10 words. And we're going to check her out. And we scroll by. Let's see. Subscribe. I'm subscribed. There's that. And liked videos. There's the liked videos. That's what it looks like, just like that. So Best Shepherd, you are the winner of the first Nano S, or you're the first one to be able to pick out the Keep Key if you want that instead of the Nano S. So I'm going to go back to the original video if you're not watching this video. If any of you are watching this video and you know Beth, tell her to contact me. But I'm going to go back to your video and contact you on that video. So hopefully you'll get that message and you will send me your name and address and tell me which one you want. And I will ship that out Monday morning or Tuesday morning when I get over to the post office. So congratulations. And guys, that does a wrap for me. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, stay tuned. I'm going to do another video about exchanges. I've got another exchange called Uphold. I just told you about Abra. So if you're brand new to crypto and you don't want to have to go through all the hassle of wallets, then, you know, forget the 2 exchanges I told you about. Get that Abra and you can buy and sell, 20 different coins and a lot of different fiats, meaning currency like USD or Euro. And then the next step up will be Uphold, which we'll do a video on that. And that one actually has a wallet. But just be aware that on the Abra, you can go ahead and send that, some crypto to other people that have Abra. So if you have family members that want to get in cryptocurrency, you can all get the Abra app, and then dad can buy some crypto and give it to each of the kids and kind of build up a little thing. But keep in mind, they can also cash out whenever they want. So thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day, and we will catch you on the next video.